Dive right into the vibrant world of vegan cuisine, where every meal is an opportunity to nourish the body and delight the senses. Today, let's uncover the secrets of crafting the ultimate high-protein vegan breakfast that ensures you're charged and ready to face the day with energy and enthusiasm. High-protein breakfasts are the cornerstone of a productive day, and contrary to popular belief, veganism offers a bounty of protein-rich options that are both delicious and wholesome. The star of our breakfast today? The incredible chickpea flour. Known for its versatility, this flour packs a punch when it comes to protein, making it an excellent foundation for many dishes. Imagine starting your day with chickpea pancakes, peppered with colorful veggies and aromatic spices. Step number 1. Sourcing the ingredients. Begin by lining up chickpea flour, water, a hint of turmeric for its vibrant color, a sprinkle of black salt, and just the right amount of baking powder for a fluffy texture. Enhance the batter with finely chopped spinach, grated zesty carrots, and a mix of diced onions and tomatoes for a burst of freshness. Step number 2. Perfecting the batter. Merge the chickpea flour and water, aiming for a consistency that's smooth but holds its own. Introduce the vegetables to the mix, then weave in the spices, watching as they infuse their magic, creating a harmony of colors and flavors. Step number 3. Crafting the pancake. With a non-stick pan heated to perfection, pour in a generous amount of your aromatic batter. Cook until it boasts a golden hue on both sides. The result? A pancake that has the ideal balance of crisp edges and a tender heart. While our chickpea pancakes are an absolute treat, no high-protein vegan breakfast is complete without the classic tofu scramble, a dish that's as hearty as it is flavorful. Step number 4. Taming the tofu. Initiate by gently crumbling firm tofu, producing an array of pieces that are primed to soak up a cocktail of spices and flavors. Step number 5. Unleashing the flavors. A splash of olive oil in a sizzling pan lays the stage for minced garlic and onions to make their grand entrance. Their aroma sets the scene, inviting bell peppers, juicy cherry tomatoes, and robust spinach to join the ensemble. Step number 6. Constructing the scramble. Introduce the crumbled tofu to this vivid medley. Now, the magic unfolds as turmeric, black salt, and a dash of cayenne pepper dance their way in. As everything amalgamates, what you're left with is a scramble that's bold, flavorful, and utterly satisfying. Of course, while these dishes are splendid, what's a breakfast without a refreshing drink on the side? Enter the high-protein berry smoothie, a drink that promises both taste and nutrition. Step number 7. Assembling the smoothie. Call upon mixed berries, a heaping scoop of vegan protein powder, creamy almond milk, and mighty chia seeds to your blender. Witness them transform into a velvety concoction that's not only a treat to your palate but also a boon for your health. Step number 8. Elevating with toppings. Pour your lush smoothie into a tall glass and consider garnishing with a sprinkle of hemp seeds, a drizzle of almond butter, or even a few cacao nibs. These toppings not only elevate the taste but also inject additional protein into your drink. To wrap up our culinary journey, imagine sitting at a sunlit table, your plate graced with golden chickpea pancakes, a side of the most colorful tofu scramble, and a glass of berry smoothie shimmering in the morning light. Each bite, each sip, is a testament to the wonders of vegan cuisine, proving that protein-packed breakfasts can be as indulgent as they are nutritious. Embracing a vegan lifestyle does not mean compromising on taste or nutrition. It's about discovering new ingredients, experimenting with flavors, and reveling in the sheer joy of creating food that's good for you and the planet. With these recipes in your arsenal, mornings will transform from mundane to magical, setting the tone for a day filled with positivity and vigor. Here's to breakfasts that are not just meals, but experiences. Cheers to a high-protein, vegan, and vibrant start to your day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more nourishing narratives from the world of EmpowerU Media.